How's it, guys? Hope everyone's doing well. Welcome back to another session today. We are going to be looking for some potential setups within the whole day. So this is going to be quite a nice stream. It's going to be quite a long stream, 1 hour, and we're going to look at for potential scalps within today. So let's get straight into it. I want to quickly first speak about like my current thoughts on Bitcoin, because at the moment price is still trading above this 51,726 zone. Okay, so I was speaking about this zone in my one analysis yesterday, and basically if price starts closing up below there, then I'll probably look for potential shorts. Okay, back down to this level here, which is our weekly and daily 4-hour resistance. Okay, so this was the previous resistance before this level over here. So this is why we should be looking for sells if price starts closing below this level. Okay, so yeah, so basically that is why I will be looking for a potential short position if Bitcoin does close below you on the 4-hour. So I would have to wait for the 4-hour candle to close, and this would be a potential setup that I'll be looking at within today. Okay, so yeah, I'll be looking at this within the next 4 hours. So there is around about 3 hours left until this candle does close. So yeah, we'll have to wait and see. We can look at there is a potential level over here as well that we might see a bounce from. Okay, but you can see every single time price taps into these highs over here at around about 52,350. So we tapped into it once, twice, three times, and the fourth time over there. So every single time we tap there, we get rejected. Okay, so yeah, personally, I would only really look for setups if price starts closing below this level here. So we have to see price start closing below 51,800 or 700. Okay, so yeah, we need to see that, and that would be good to take the trade based on the 4-hour as well. And then also Ethereum. Ethereum looks quite bearish as well, to be honest with you, because have a look at this setup. Okay, so if you look at Ethereum on the 1-hour time frame, what can you see? It's just parabolic, right? So if you want to look for shorts, you have to start seeing break of trend. Okay, so for me, this would be a potential break of trend here for Ethereum. If we see price start closing below this level over here, then I would probably look at potential sells back down to this low over here at 27.73, which your stop loss will probably just be above 28.30. Okay, so your risk to reward is 1:2.5. So it's one of those quite nice players for Ethereum, and it will be very clean if price starts closing below this level. Okay, so yeah, I'll be looking at that definitely for today. So we're gonna wait for those two setups. Basically, we're just gonna wait for the Bitcoin one, and then we got the Ethereum one as well. But there might be some other setups we can look at. So we're gonna take a look at a couple more here. I'm gonna put some music on. Okay. I don't know why I keep saying that. Okay. So let's see. So this is Ethereum, right? Ethereum looks like it's gonna break down, to be honest, guys. Like this market structure is telling us quite a nice story, right? So price just keeps bouncing. But if price starts closing below here, then we could possibly see price come back down to like 27.71. Okay, so I will be waiting for that today. Okay, so make sure you guys also know how to put an alert on your chart. So because I'm going to be looking at some other coins, I want to set an alert. So every time price hits the alert, will actually send me a ping on my phone and my laptop, and you guys will hear it. So it's good to set an alert, because then you don't have to keep watching this the whole day. Okay, so we're gonna put that there just in case price taps that zone, because we'll be looking to short it, right? Yeah, everything is looking kind of bearish here, to be honest with you. Let's have a look here for Solana, because Solana has been very bullish, right? Like lately. Okay, so what is the daily chart? So the daily charts, look at over here, right? Price is trading within this daily chart for around about 12 days. Okay, so 12 days price was stuck in this little consolidation period, right? And then you can see when price started breaking above here, what happened? Price came back up to this level, right? And we know that this level was the previous January 2024 highs. So there's a possibility of price getting rejected from the zone, and that's exactly what we're getting now. Okay, so Solana looks like it might be coming down a bit further today, at least back down to these lows over here. Okay, so we might see Solana back down at 110, 109 today. If it breaks that level, then you know, we're gonna see a break of trend as well. So we're gonna see this start breaking here, and we might see price come back down into this level here. Okay, so 104, 102. So yeah, personally, Solana is actually looking quite bearish within today. So I would be looking for shorts on pretty much Ethereum. So we're looking for Ethereum short. And then also we're looking for, so this is the Ethereum one. We're going to wait for price to close below this zone. Look for sells. And then Bitcoin's looking quite bearish as well. We're going to see what happens here. Okay, so yeah, let me know if you guys have some. Yeah, so Ethereum is actually crossing, which is good. Let's see. Let's see. We're waiting for the next closure here. So if the next 15-minute candle closes, we're going to take the sell with a stop loss just above this wick over here, 28, and then take profits at these lows. Yeah, this is what I'll be looking at right now. Actually, we can't take the sell now because we have to wait for the candle to close. Okay, otherwise this could just be a fake out. And Bitcoin also coming down nicely. Yeah, look at this. I mean, it's looking quite bearish. We spoke about this. What is the other chart? Audi. Nothing much happening there. Axie is breaking down nicely here. Axie's going to dump hard, I think. Actually looks like it's about to down. I might actually take this for Axie because the market structure is very, very bearish here. Like, and it's breaking down, but we'll see how the 4 hour closes. Not the 4 hour, the next 1 hour, 15 minutes. Okay, because we can't really take anything now. There's no candle that's closed. But once we wait for that, then we'll be in nice positions. Yeah, okay. So we're looking at 3 setups within today. I'm only really looking at shorts. To be honest, it looks like the market's just going to dump today. And it's a Friday, so we actually might get positions here for Bitcoin, guys, very, very soon. Yeah, this is clean. I think we're going to see quite a big dump today. Let's see. We have to wait for this 4 hours closer. I keep saying 4 hour, but I mean to say 15 minutes. My bad. Let's see. Yeah, Bitcoin's coming down. Or Solana. Solana's in a dump hard. I'm gonna take this for Solana, yeah, guys. I'm gonna take this. I think, yeah, look at that. Look at that. The market structure is just giving me a lot of signs to the downside. I think we're just gonna grab. Yeah, let's see. This could be a bounce zone. Have a look here on the 5 minutes. Yeah. we should easily take out this level over here and look for this. It's 109. This is where I'll probably be targeting. Let's see what happens. It looks like the market's about to drive. Doesn't look good, yeah. Does not look good, yeah. Ethereum's breaking lower, yeah. Yeah. We were waiting for the 15, yeah. Actually, Ethereum. It's dumping. The thing is, yeah, like, it's okay. We just got Solana around. Solana. It looks like the whole market's about to drive. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Have a look at this. This is going to be a massive. I don't know where the volume's coming from. It's a bit interesting, yeah. RCP getting wrecked. DYM actually holding. VeChain's been pumping today, guys. If you guys hold VeChain, it's absolutely crazy. Absolutely. This is a beautiful coin to hold in the bull run. Okay, let's go back to the what's Bitcoin doing? Let's see how Bitcoin's closing here. Bitcoin still looks nice, guys. We can still take the setup. But we have to wait here. What would be nice here is a potential push back up to this zone over here. Because if you look on the 30 minutes, look at this level that we got going over here, right? It might just drive there, to be honest. Okay, but this is a strong level, right? A very, very strong level. Price within the whole day hasn't closed below this right now. So we had a jump over here, bounce over here, bounce over here, bounce over here. But now that we're closing below here, the probability of price coming down lower is a lot more likely, right? Because we haven't closed below the zone, and whenever we do, we normally come to this zone, right? Every single time. So we're gonna play with those probabilities today because the market is looking quite bearish as well. So Chainlink also looks like it's got a dump. Okay. Actually, it's absolutely dumping. Where's that chart red, guys? Strange. Oh, there we go. I think this is going to dump hard today. It's got a good massive feeling there. Because the market structure has been bullish the whole time, right? Market structure has been very, very bullish the whole time, right? And now that we're breaking trend, the probability of price coming down is higher. And also, look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's not looking good today, guys. Like, I don't think Bitcoin's going to hold today. We'll wait and see, though. Because the problem is the whole day price has just been coming down, right? So this morning we had price go up until like 8 a.m. And then as 8 a.m. opened, everyone's just been pushing price down, selling over here. And you can see there's a lot more pressure. You can see what happens here. Same type of pattern, right? Pressure, and then we had a push down, right? But let's see how this holds, because this is looking, this over here is looking very similar to what we got going over here. Okay. So if price manages to close below here, it would be valid to take sells. Yeah, and actually just so bearish. I mean, I want to take this, but the problem is we don't have that closure, right? We don't have that 15-minute candle closure. So we're about to get it though. We are about to get it here. I think this is just going to drive here, guys. But our stop loss, I already got these levels in my chart from previously, right? I do think that we're looking at quite a dump there. It does look like that. Yeah. Let's see how this 15-minute candle closes, and maybe if we can actually create like a nice little top wick here, we can enter at this price. Okay. So this would be the setup today as well, guys. Let's see how Bitcoin closed here. Bitcoin closed respecting. So can you see how important that is, right? So Bitcoin closed respecting this level, right? And this level is very, very strong. We spoke about it in the beginning. Every single time price respects this level, price tends to push up, right, to these zones over here. Whenever price closes below this level, can't delete this. Oh, there we go. Whenever price closes below this level, what happens? Close below, we came back down to this zone. Close below, we came to this zone. Close below this zone. You know, so this is why we'll be looking for those sells there. Yeah, I'd only really be looking for sells there. It does look like Axie is going to be the one though. I think the Axie is going to be the one that's going to make the most, because it's been so bullish over the last couple of days here, guys. Axie's been absolutely so bullish. And let's have a look at the daily time frame. Yeah. Taps into those highs. I mean, yeah, this does look clean. As long as Bitcoin drives down, then we should be good here. But also, this candle that we got going here for Axie, this one, right over here, this previous candle, it's quite a bearish candle, that, because price was pushed all the way to the top here and then actually closed bearish, right? So you see how far price pushed up here, pushed back up to 8.1, back up to these levels, and then it actually flipped and closed bearish here. So it's quite interesting that. So we have to acknowledge that. Let's see if we can get a retest trade here. There we go for Ethereum. When Ethereum price, let's say price comes back up to this zone, I'll be looking at a potential scalp back down. Okay. The 50-minute candle did close below our zone, so it will be valid to take sells here as well. Okay. We just have to wait and be patient there, because the thing is, this whole move just could be a massive fake out, but I don't think that's possible. This 19.7 area has been so crucial for Chainlink. This level here, right, is such an important zone. If Chainlink starts breaking below the zone, then it's going to be absolutely a waterfall. Because look at this. This is more of a bull flag, right? This is actually forming quite a bull flag. Let's see. We could probably tap this level here, which is at the bottom of this potential trend line that might be brought. And that level actually coincides with these highs over here. These highs right over here. Okay. I mean, if Chainlink closes below here, well then we're looking at quite a gnarly drop here, like 3% almost. So it looks like Bitcoin is still respecting the zone over here. Yeah. So Bitcoin is still respecting the zone. Okay. So what does that mean? That means that price is still holding above the zone, and we may potentially bounce back up from this level. But we have to wait and see how these candles start closing, because it's just not going to be valid. Yeah. Because the thing is, for the Bitcoin setup's a bit different, because price didn't close below this level, right? Whereas ETH, we're still waiting to get filled in over here. Price closed below, and it's coming up to resistance over here, which is that support, right? And also this support over here. So because we close below this level on the 15-minute time frame, and then also if the 30-minute candle starts closing below even this level here, then it's quite valid, yeah, guys. So let's see. We have to wait. Let's see. Chainlink's still holding. Like, the thing is, Chainlink can come a bit later as well. Yeah, I'm still in this position here for Solana. I do think that Solana's gonna dump here. Solana closed below this massive key level here. But let's see, like that's the, if that closes bullish, then that's quite a good sign that it might be a potential reversal. That's, I can take upside. So we'll have to wait for that. And then obviously Bitcoin just waiting for this to flip. See, this 30-minute candle is actually flipping bullish here, which is interesting. But we still got 8 minutes, so can't really say too much. But if the next 30-minute candle starts closing back above this level here, which is your support over here, your resistance here, and right over here, we're probably going to come back up to this zone and then potentially go higher. Okay, so we'll see. Ethereum here, let's see. I want to see how this 30 closes because it's going to be so interesting. So we did get tapped in here, if you did put a limit order. So I want to see how this holds. And then Axie, what's happening with Axie? Where was the entry? Let's see. Yeah, I still think this is going to be so clean. Axie's got a big drops there. And so does, I do think that Bitcoin and Ether are going to drop there as well. Let's have a look at what's happening on the daily. See, there's a lot more red over here. Obviously, we know VChain just pumped the whole day. We should have a look at AVAX. Let's have a look at AVAX. Squeeze down quite a bit. See, some coins are pumping, some coins are dumping. It's interesting. But the overall trend today is quite bearish. Yeah. I do think it's quite bearish. Because from the morning, we've just seen sellers into the market, like even Bitcoin, right? From the whole morning. Since this level, what happens? Price tends to just come back down. Start thinking to replicate what we got going over here. So let's see what happens. We're gonna have to wait for these. We did take the sell for Axie and Solana as well. We did take the sell. Let's see. I don't know why it keeps resetting that. Yeah. So we're on a couple of sells here, guys. This is Ethereum. This is Ethereum. Let's make it a little bit bigger, yeah. There we go. That's way nicer. I think that's way better. Okay. So what I'm gonna put all the trades in at the top on the top left over here. VChain can get out of here. This is more for spot. So we're in Link, we're in Solana as well. So Axie, then ICP, we can change you to Solana. Okay. Yeah, here we go. Let's see. Yeah, like I said, Axie for me is just it's very bearish. And look how nice this, if this 30-minute candle closes like this, it's just gonna be really, really clean, yeah. Actually looks like it's gonna drop, yeah. Solana as well. I think Solana is very clean as well. Yeah, I think Solana's gonna drop a lot as well. Just got that feeling with Solana. Because Solana's also just been pumping a lot. And if we're seeing some coins retrace today, even Ethereum and Bitcoin, well then we're gonna see these heavy hitters retrace a lot more, because they've been pretty much driving the whole trend, right? And then when Bitcoin and ETH starts retracing, they're going to get hit a little bit harder, because they're kind of overextended in the market. We all know that Solana is very, very overextended. If you think about it, right? Like if you think about Solana where it was a couple months ago, right? We're speaking about like the $18 mark, and also like the 17 within October, right? So, you know, we can easily come back down. I mean, the price starts just pouring here, we could easily see like 70, 77, but we'll have to wait for that. Like we'll see like how the market holds up. But my target for spot buys is going to be around about 76 over here, and then I'll be holding for long. Looks like Axie's gonna drop, yeah. Ethereum looking clean as well, and Solana. Yeah, so let's see. We have to just wait for this though, because when a bit more volume comes into the market, we'll probably see a lot more downside, yeah. This is gonna be a nice 30-minute closure though for ETH. Yeah, I mean this whole level here, like this level here is so critical for ETH. And these two top wicks over here shows indication that price tried to close above these levels, but could never really get to these zones. Yeah, so those top wicks are telling us that price is most probably just going to carry on to the downside. And check on the 50-minute time frame, right? Price had a nice retest of this previous level. That's where we got in. Yeah, I think Ethereum was just going to drop a lot there, because we actually took some sells a bit earlier within the day. I think it was at 41, so around about this level here, and then we had the whole day of price just consolidating above this zone, like what happened over here, right? The same thing, right? Price consolidated above these zones, but now that we're starting to like properly close below these levels, and then we're retesting highs, you know, it's a good indication of price just carrying on going down. So the 30-minute candle just closed. That's beautiful. So I think what we're going to see for Axie is we might see a top wick get created here, a top wick, and then flip bearish. We'll see. Let's see how this holds. Yeah, so if you guys did just join, we actually took a short for Solana. We took a short for Ethereum at 28.13, and then actually we took a short at around about this level. But I know some people think got in around about here. Looking to target these lows of like 7.799. Looks like we're going to start retesting these highs again. Oops. CAO has been down quite a lot lately. I'm trying to see if there's any potential coins that we can look at. Not much. This coin I was speaking about in the previous stream as well. So DYM. Have a look at this coin. We actually bought some the other day. I think like 3 days ago. So basically, look at this chart, right? Can you see how price is forming like this wedge pattern, right? So you have a look here. Price was bouncing, and then we had a breakout over here. And if you extend this arm, so if you extend what you got going down over here, you'll see that the target is around about like 9.7. So DYM looks really strong here, guys. Like DYM looks like it could go back up to like 9.7. Looks like this might just be a fake out. Let's see what happens. The 30-minute close bullish, bearish. We're going to see how this retests over here for Solana. I mean, this would be a better entry, right? This would be a better entry. What's happening in Bitcoin? We didn't get into this one because it was bouncing, right? Looks like we might just consolidate in this range the whole day for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin consolidates in this range like this, right? If it just keeps on bouncing, the longer it stays in this level, the bigger the breakout or the breakdown, right? So if it starts closing above this level, then you can look for longs. Starts closing below these lows over here, you look for shorts. But it might just trade within this range the whole day. We'll see. Something in the audio. I was looking at audio yesterday. Let's have a look here. So audits are quite a crucial zone at the moment, right? So we'll speak about that on the lower time frames, but you can see I had a level there that was drawn in the past. I'll quickly show you why I drew that level. It seems my screen keeps disconnecting. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Yeah. So Audi, look at Audi here. If you have a look in the 4 hour, the 1 hour, this is a strong level here for Audi, right? It's a very bounce. It bounces a lot at this zone. Okay. So for Audi, we're gonna have to see price start closing below here, because every single time prices start closing above these zones, what tends to happen is, I'll show you. Have a look, right? Start closing above here, we tend to come up, right? We start closing above the zone, we tend to come up, right? So when we start closing below this, like this red box, we can actually just make it a bit better here. Like start closing below around about 68.424, then we could probably look for sells again. But until then, it's probably just going to carry on bouncing around from this level. It's probably just going to bounce back up to these zones. But the reason why I'm a bit more bearish is because we couldn't really take out these highs yesterday. This high over here, this high over here, and the market structure is looking a bit like a descending channel here. So we'll see. We shall see. But I do remain quite bearish on today, like I have been saying. Our ETH is looking like it's going to react from our level. Let's see though. Let's see. Once ETH starts closing above like this high, then this is going to carry on to like 2841. But the thing is, structure broke over here, so I'm expecting price to reverse from this zone. A lot of coins are actually up on the 15 year. A lot more than are down. There's only like around about a couple, 7 or 8 coins that are down. Hex has been doing really well lately. Compared to like 2 years ago, Hex has done really well. APT. VeChain still up 21%. C's up 7. Let's see. Yeah, we might have to hold this one for a little bit longer than usual, because the thing is, like, it broke below these lows as over here. The structure was broken. We'll see. I want to show you guys this one tweet that I reposted. You should have a look at this as well. If you guys, this channel over here, stage up. So I'm gonna check if you're eligible within this. You just connect your wallet, and then you see if you are eligible but you would have done something in the past. So, but yeah, if you do like airdrops, I will drop a video on how to actually farm these, because there are a lot of airdrops that are out right now. Like Puffer is one of them, and then Swell. But the thing is, you wouldn't be able to enter those ones. Puffers, I think, is finished. Then Swell is finished, but there are a couple more that I'm thinking about doing a video on how to do that, how to actually farm them. Okay, what was that? That was the 10-minute close. Let's see. Ten-minute closure spacing. That's interesting. Also, you can have a look at this channel as well. So if you search airdrops official on Twitter, these guys are really good. They show you when all the new airdrops are coming out and how to connect. So like this one, you just have to connect your wallet, bridge assets to the mode. You can earn points by bridging assets in the mode network. The best part is that you'll earn these points while your assets are in the network, and also withdraw assets. So basically, the more you use like this platform, this type of network, you will actually be able to earn more points. The more you use it, the more points you get out. So this is quite cool. Have a look at this. You look at this guy's channel, because airdrop official, they literally post about every single new airdrop that are coming out, and like when the distribution periods are and everything like that. It's a really, really good resource, guys. Airdrops are like the easiest way to actually earn quite a lot of cash. So I will look at that. Let's see. Looks like we are coming down a bit here. I will see how Ethereum holds off. I like the look of this though for Solana. Just need to remove this. Let me just move this quickly. I don't know why I can't click on this. There we go. Yeah. So we are bearish onto that. It even came back down and tapped into these lows on the 5 minute here. It's interesting. What else is there? Nothing really. VeChain's just, yeah, Render as well. Render's a good coin to hold. I was looking at the chart and it looks like Render's next level is like 6.5. If we have a look at Render, like this is so bullish, Render. Like if you look at the daily time frame. Have a look here. I think if you look here, look at this, right? So this previous candle over here of Render closed above this level here. Okay, so at 5.180, render closed above this zone. And what happens normally, if you look previously, right? Have a look here. I don't know why the laptop's so slow. There we go. This was the previous level at 5.279. Okay. Next key zone on the daily time frame is this level here. And then obviously we have around about 6.1 to 6.5 within this range. Okay. These are the levels that you have on the daily time frame. And the higher level is more likely because we haven't tapped into these zones since last year. When was that? Last year, actually 2017, like December 2017. So once we start closing above these zones, price is most probably going to carry on for Render, because Render hasn't really had actually it has, but compared to the other alts in the last couple of weeks, it hasn't really had a move up, and I think that's what it's doing. Okay, so let's see how this plays out today. Let's see. I don't know if this is going to hold you for Ethereum. I mean, the 50-minute candle was respecting, which is beautiful. And then if we have a look at Bitcoin, what's Bitcoin up to? Bitcoin is up to absolutely nothing. Bitcoin is doing nothing the whole day. Have a look at this. It hasn't been like a real move, right? It's kind of just been trading within the range. But that's what I'm saying. If Bitcoin starts closing below this range over here, we're going to see quite a drop for Bitcoin here. And like I was saying, on the 5-minute time frame, have a look at the market structure compared to the previous market structure. It's quite similar, right? It is quite similar. So let's see. It's just be patient with the market. Very slow, very slow. Not much happening. There isn't much happening, to be honest. Bitcoin's still just tripping. Right. Yeah, it's very slow. I'm gonna have to leave the live in around about 5 minutes or so. hopefully we get a bit more volume within the next session. Maybe New York session will bring some more. But just be careful. Actually, today's big news. We do have some news there. If you have a look on Friday, we have PPR today. But PPR is going to be quite hectic. You watch out for that, because normally with PPR, markets very volatile. Very volatile. So that is at 5:30. That's in around about 4.5 hours. So just watch out for that. Normally we do see CPR and PPR. Normally we see quite a big amount of volatility as well. So we'll see for that. But we won't really be trading during that time, right? I'll probably stop trading. We don't really want to be trading during news, especially when it's high impact news and PPR. Because obviously on Saturday, Saturday last week, when did we have CPR? Yeah, it was on Tuesday. We had CPR and we had that massive down move, right? Yeah, this was CPR. Literally like over here. And then price consolidated and then just bounced. So since CPR, we've had a massive upside actually. Yeah, since Tuesday. Okay, but Ethereum's not really doing much, eh? Nothing's really doing anything, to be honest. Nothing is really doing anything. Bitcoin's starting to move a little bit now. Still not doing much. Like, because for us, Bitcoin, we have to wait for move because, like, to be honest, it's not balanced. You can't really take positions within this small range and like that. So this small range. This whole range is just like so you can't really trade that range. Yeah, you can trade above the range. If you trade of these, but it obviously below. What I'm gonna try to look at later in the day if things start to break down. Yeah, so that's what I would look for Bitcoin, definitely. That little breakdown here, I started making these consolidation highs. I do think that price is going to come down soon. But personally, like, if it starts closing above like this level over here, like if it starts closing just above the zone at around about 52k, if it starts closing back above 52k, then you're probably going to see it move up. Okay? Then I'll be back, okay, I'm going to take that long back to the time. But the market structure is telling me like we might see price come down. Same thing over here around. So I don't know what. I'll have to wait and see for that. But yeah, I do appreciate everyone coming today. Yeah, sure. It's getting annoying now, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna leave in 5 minutes, guys. But yeah, I have gone through all the levels today. If you did miss them, then you can actually go back to the beginning of the video where I went over the setups. But yeah, I'm more bearish on the day. we did go through a while, but I do appreciate what so yeah, so we are bearish and we are short on a couple coins. We're short on Solana and we're short on Ethereum. Bitcoin's not really ready yet, but we are short. This level, this trend line's holding, right? It keeps rejecting the zone, so the probability of us coming down is a bit more likely for ETH over here. Same thing with Solana. Solana is pretty much the same setup. Pretty much the exact same setup there. Yeah, let's see. But yeah, I do appreciate everyone joining today. Thanks so much. I will see you guys next week, Monday, for another session. But I do appreciate everyone joining. Yeah, sorry about that, about the music. This song is a bit better. But yeah, we'll be leaving soon. Looks like we are getting a breakdown here though, guys. Finally some movement, right? This is what we've been waiting for. A bit of volume. Yeah. A bit of volume, yeah. Maybe we'll get it. Let's see. Let's see. Just taking time. But yeah, the market looks like it's going to start moving now. Axie, beautiful guys. I think Axie's going to drop a lot today. We spoke about Axie. We spoke about this. We think that Axie is going to come down a lot today. I do think that that's going to happen. Just look at these rejections. All the charts are doing the exact same thing. They're all rejecting from these trend lines that we got going here. Every single chart, altcoin has broken these trend lines. Bitcoin is still above the level, but you can see Bitcoin's absolutely beautiful. So you can see how the market was actually front running Bitcoin. So the altcoins were actually telling us that the altcoins were bearish, like Ethereum, right? Ethereum was telling us it was quite bearish, but Bitcoin was telling us that it was just consolidating, right? So, and then now, because Ethereum and Solana and also Axie have tapped into these trend lines that they got going over here, and now getting rejected, Bitcoin's going to actually break below here. So, yeah, just keep that in mind. Yeah, cool. I'm gonna end the stream. I do appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much. Have a good weekend. And yeah, cheers.